Hello friends! Today we're going on a food adventure to the beautiful valley of Kashmir to learn about yakhni pulao. This special rice dish is bursting with flavor. It's made with rice and meat cooked in a yummy broth called yakhni. Yakhni pulao is a big deal for celebrations like weddings and parties. Every family has their own special way of making it, passed down from grandmas and grandpas. Let's talk about what makes yakhni pulao so special. The ingredients. We use a special kind of rice called basmati. It's aged like a fine cheese to give it the best flavor. The meat can be lamb or mutton. And spices? Oh, they're super important. We use whole spices like cardamom and cloves. These give yakhni pulao its amazing smell. Making yakhni pulao is like a fun dance in the kitchen. First, we cook the meat with onions, ginger, and garlic. Then we add spices to hot ghee. This is called tempering. Next, we add water to make the yakhni broth. Finally, the rice goes into the yakhni and cooks until it's nice and fluffy. Yakhni pulao is best served hot. You can decorate it with crispy fried onions and fresh coriander. It's a dish that makes you feel warm and happy inside. Every bite tells a story of family, love, and good times. I hope you'll try making this special dish yourself.